Hello and welcome back to TextConnect, a learning center for textile. So we'll be starting with the very first topic in wet processing, that is singeing. Let's begin.
So after the process of weaving is completed, you do the mechanical inspection for various faults. If everything goes right there, your fabric comes for wet processing. Now the fabric you have got with you, when looked upon closely, has a lot of small protruding fibers, which project outside, giving the fabric a fuzzy and hairy appearance. To get rid of all these small protruding fibers and have a clear fabric surface, we carry out the process of singeing. That is, burning off these protruding fibers from the surface of yarn or the fabric to improve its luster, smoothness and avoid pilling. So this is how a singed fabric or a yarn looks like. The left one shows the protruding fibers and the right one shows the smooth surface after the process is completed. Let's discuss some advantages quickly. Number 1. Singeing improves the end use and wearing properties of textiles. The burning off of protruding fibers results in a clean surface which allows the structure of the fabric to look more clear. Singeing is an effective means of reducing pilling in the blended fabrics containing synthetic fibers. Now what is pilling? Pilling is small balls of fiber entanglements found on the clothes after multiple washes. So this is how it looks like. Alright, so now there are three ways or three machine processes in which we can carry out the process of singeing. These are hot plate singeing, roller singeing and gas singeing. Let us start with hot plate singeing first. So this is how the setup looks like. Don't worry, this is quite a simple process. The hand-drawn figure will give you a better idea. So the process goes like this. There are two curved copper plates, as you can see in the image, which have a thickness of 1 to 2 inches. Now these plates are heated to bright redness by the furnace that is available below it or by suitable heating arrangement. The cloth in open width passes over and in contact with the hot plates at a speed of around 135 to 225 meters per minute. Now it has a traversing mechanism that is fitted with it, which constantly changes the part of the fabric in contact with the plate. The guide rollers guide the fabric throughout the process. Now these protruding fibers are burnt during the passage of the cloth through the machine, and thus the process is carried out. Now what are the advantages and the disadvantages? So the advantage is it's a low cost method. It does not require very high cost of machinery. The disadvantages are the interstices are not singed and a certain amount of undesirable luster is obtained on the cloth. That is due to friction, right? वो cloth जो fabric है that will constantly rub onto the surface of the hot plate and that will give it a certain kind of a luster. Also, it may not be possible to maintain plates at a uniform temperature and this causes uneven singeing. Now the next one is roller singeing. It is quite similar to the hot plate singeing, where instead of a hot plate, a large cylinder or a roller is used. The cloth passes around a guide roller and then over the heated cylinder's top surface. It then goes around two more guide rollers and then passes under the cylinder, touching its bottom. Advantages and disadvantages are same as hot plate singeing, except that uneven singeing takes at a lesser extent than compared to the hot plate singeing. Now coming down to the last one, that is gas singeing. This is how the apparatus looks like. The main players here are the guide rollers and the gas burner. You need to focus on them. For a better to the point diagram, which you can also use in your examinations, is given below. It contains a hood as well. The use of that hood will be discussed later. Now in gas singeing, the fabric comes directly in contact with the flames, unlike the other two processes. There is no plate or roller between them. The fabric is rapidly passed over a row of gas flames at a high speed, then immediately into the bath to extinguish the sparks and also cool down the fabric. Here the flames are produced by compressed air and coal gas. The flame is adjusted with respect to the width of the fabric. Now when the cloth is drawn over a flame at a high speed, the protruding fibers burn without damaging the cloth. The speed of transmission of the cloth through the singeing machine has to be adjusted to suit the amount of singeing required. And also keeping in mind that we have the lowest possible risk of burning the cloth. Now coming down to advantages. Gas singeing is far more advantageous than compared to the hot plate singeing and the roller singeing, as both sides of the cloth are singed simultaneously and even singeing takes place. There is no unwanted luster because the flames are directly in contact with the fabric and there is no friction. Interstices are also burned effectively. Now the disadvantages, number one and the most important, that is high risk of fire, and then need of trained workers, which eventually increases your cost. So there are certain precautions that you need to take care of during gas singeing process. Number one, arrangements must be provided such that the gas supply is automatically turned off if the fabric stops moving. Next, an overhead hood must be provided with an exhaust to avoid that dust fluff that is formed after the fibers are burnt. Now this hood should be made transparent of glass so that we can see the flames as well as the fabric. The temperature of the singed cloth should be measured frequently.
So this was it from my side. I hope you guys have liked the video. Do follow us on Instagram where we post stories daily of various textile terms just to brush up your vocabulary. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected.